Welcome to Textile Technology Channel. Viscose fiber manufacturing process.
Fibers. Historically, cotton, flax, linen, and hemp were the most commonly used fibers. These fibers all have one thing in common. They all consist of cellulose. Cellulose is the organic compound most frequently found in nature, as it is the principal component of wood. More than 100 years ago, engineers found a way to extract the cellulose from wood and form it into a new kind of fiber, known as viscose. Kelheim Fibers leads the world with its capability of modifying the properties of viscose fibers to generate various functionalities for a broad range of applications. The raw material for viscose is wood pulp. To guarantee that the wood comes only from sustainably managed plantations, only pulp with FSC or PEFC certification is used by Kelheim Fibers. In order to produce tailor-made fibers, the wood pulp has to be dissolved first. Since cellulose itself does not dissolve in water, it needs to be modified in a first process step. The modified cellulose can now be dissolved and forms an orange, honey-like liquid. This liquid is pressed through an extrusion head into a bath of dilute acid. As it comes into contact with the acid, the dissolved cellulose regenerates and forms a fiber. At this point, key modifications, such as changing the shape and size of the cross-section or incorporating additives, can be made. Our certified internal laboratories ensure that customer specifications and the highest requirements for product safety and hygiene are fulfilled. From Kelheim in Germany, the fibers start their journey to customers all around the world.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.